Has this ever happened to you? You have a little filament left, but you don't know if it can finish the model, so you're worried the whole time it's printing. But with Centauri Carbon 2 Combo and the new canvas system, you don't need to worry about this. First, make sure the runout sensor is on, which is on default. When the filament runs out, there will be a prompt. You just put a new filament of same type in the same spot. Click Continue, and Centauri Carbon 2 Combo keeps printing. But maybe you don't want to change filament by hand? Canvas now gives you auto refill. Place the same color filament in any spool holder. Then select the matching color and position on the display. When the first roll is used up, Canvas will automatically switch to the next filament of the same color and keeps printing. If the filament gets tangled, the machine will pause the print and pop up a message. Click the tangled filament spool, click Unload. Cut off the bent or damaged filament. Insert the filament back into the spool holder. After you fix the tangle, click Resume, and Centauri Carbon 2 Combo keeps printing. That's all for today's video. If you've got cool tips or ideas, share them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more 3D printing fun. See you next time.